Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is SUNELFFY 26-inch folding bike bag. The folding bike backpack is designed to fit 26-inch folding bikes or smaller folding bikes or e-bikes, such as a 20-inch fat tire folding bike or a folding e-bike like electric. When not in use, the bike bag can be kept in the storage bag and fastened to the front of the bike. You may carry the bag more conveniently and comfortably with the shoulder strap. When not using the bike carry case, it can be stowed in the storage bag and attached to the handlebar, making it more convenient and easy to carry. Quality hardware buckle, robust and long-lasting. Given their expertise in folding bikes, it's no wonder that Brompton leads the pack with their luxury backpack. It isn't the cheapest on the list, but you get solid materials, 4 wheels, and some great features like a slanted base for improved maneuverability and different carrying choices for the price. If you intend to ride your bike for a long distance, this is the backpack to get. The 4 wheels make it easy to navigate a crowded airport or railway station, and the carefully constructed base allows for nimble mobility. The sides are reinforced with polycarbonate panels, and tension bands keep the bike inside from shifting. Number 2 in this best folding bike bag list is HUNTVP folding bike bag. The bundle includes a carry bag pouch. When not in use, the folding bike bag can be folded into a small carry pouch. The carry bag can be fitted to the front handlebar of the bike. Polyester fiber 600D. High quality and tensile strength. Please do not drag the bicycle on the rough surface when loading it. The adjustable strap allows you to carry the bag on your shoulder, making it easier to transport your bike and keep your things clean. The bike travel bag is suitable for folding bikes ranging in size from 16 to 20 inches. The adjustable strap allows you to carry the bag on your shoulder, making it easier to ride your bike and keep your things clean. The exterior is a soft, cloth bag, but inside is a metal framework. Simply remove the wheels, thread your chain over a specially constructed T-bar, and use your quick releases to connect the bike to the metal frame, making it immovable on the inside and thus far more secure. The convenient Velcro makes getting the pieces in the appropriate spot a piece of cake, and the side opening makes getting the bike a breeze. The latest model featured here features a stronger front zip, which should make it last longer. Despite its modest size, the Lifeline bike pod can accommodate a smaller bike with minimal disassembly. It moves on 2 back wheels and has 2 front feet to stand on. Quick release wheels, but not through axle wheels, can be fastened to the exterior of the casing. Our third pick is Rhinowalk 26-inch folding bike bag. Made of high-intensity nylon, it is lightweight, resilient, and waterproof, making it an excellent choice for bike trips by car, train, or airline. Increasing the bag's strength so that it can withstand the carry burden for lengthy periods of time. You can carry the bag, with bike, on your shoulder using the shoulder strap. You can place the bike bag in the tiny storage bag and attach it to the handlebar, pannier, rack or backpack. This Rhinowalk handlebar bag is not your average handlebar bag. This one-of-a-kind bike bag has multifunctional characteristics that make it useful in a variety of situations. When not in use on the bike, this handlebar bag may be changed into a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, or chest hang bag. That means, you can take this backpack wherever you wish. Because the bag's sides are rather flexible, it's best to wrap the wheels and frame well within to avoid crushing. We were also apprehensive about how durable the feet would be and how well the zip would hold up to repeated use, but the Lifeline bike pod is a reasonably priced alternative for the infrequent flyer. The bag does have several flaws, and for the price, this does not inspire trust. But perhaps we're being too picky. Without a question, this is a good buy, and we always wrap our frames in bubble wrap, no matter what we're packing them in. Fourth pick in our best folding bike bag list is Rhinowalk folding bicycle carry bag. Tear and abrasion resistant encrypted webbing plus double Oxford fabric. The 2-way adjustable shoulder straps and 1 shoulder handle make it simple to transport. The bike body is simple to repair. Strap buckle for easy storage and transportation. Two-way pull head for simple handling, stability, and durability. Front zip pocket for air bottles, kettles, and other small items. Eye-catching green logo for security. The two-way adjustable shoulder straps and one shoulder handle make it simple to transport. The bike body is simple to repair. Strap buckle for easy storage and transportation. Double layer thick fabric at the bottom to avoid rod puncture, sturdy and solid bicycle protection. Subway, high-speed rail and public transportation are easily transported, and security checks are simple. The base, which holds the bike in place in the case, can be extended with 3 legs, transforming it into a work stand for when you arrive at your destination, which is also a good to have. This is a soft bag with crush protection inserts and shock blocks to secure the bike at 3 spots. There are numerous pockets on the inside of the backpack to keep your gear organized. It's not as sturdy as a Bix, like as the Bike Box Allen, but we've used similar bags without issue. Just be sure to pack plenty of bubble wrap or other protection. Last in this list is AMOMO Folding Bike Bag. It gives a relatively easy way to transport the bike without the protruding handlebars and pedals snagging on whatever it passes through. Because the material is quite durable, it also provides some weather protection. The adjustable strap allows the bag to be carried on the shoulders. It can also be used as a picnic blanket. The large bag zip pouch is useful and large enough to hold the carrying pouch and any other small items. It also gives a very straightforward way to transport the bike without the protruding handlebars and pedals snagging on whatever it passes through. Because the material is quite durable, it also provides some weather protection. When packing their bike inside a Bike Box Allen, the fact that it's a hard case box immediately gives the user peace of mind. With the addition of an anti-crush pole in the middle, your pride and joy is in good hands. However, at 12.2 kilograms, it should be able to get through most airline weight restrictions. The company has also paid attention to the details. The clasps are of high quality, it is simple to close, and it rolls well.